Hi children, a very warm welcome to Narana Live class. So today in this video we are going to see an assignment 10 on towns, traders and craft persons. So here are few questions. Now let us find the answers. So the first question is, give an example of temple town. So the answer is Tanjavur. So the answer is Tanjavur. Where is Tanjavur, you know children? Yes, it is in Tamil Nadu state. Now, let's take second question. What do temple towns represent? So the answer is, so it represents a different patterns of urbanization. Patterns means structure, design. Okay children, so the answer is, it represents pattern of urbanization. Now let's take third question. Why did the rulers endow temples with the grants of lands and money? The answer is, in order to carry out elaborate rituals, feed pilgrims and priests, and celebrate festivals. Okay children, so the third question answer is, in order to carry out first point is what children? That is elaborate rituals. Comma, then next second one is what? Feed pilgrims and priests. Then finally, to celebrate festivals. Okay children, these are three questions. Now let us take few more questions. Yeah, now let's take fourth question. How did pilgrims contribute to the temples? The answer is by giving donations. So the fourth question answer is by giving donations. Now let's take fifth question. How did temple authorities use their wealth? The answer is to finance in trade and banking. So the fifth question answer is to finance in trade and banking. Now let's take sixth question children. Which technique was used to make the Chola bronze statues? The answer is, they used lost wax technique. Okay children, the answer is, they used lost wax technique. So by using this technique, they made bronze, means Chola bronze statues. Now let's take seventh question. What was the capital of the ancient Chola kingdom? Yes, the answer is Tanjavur. So seventh question answer is Tanjavur. Now let's take eighth question children. How was the water supplied to the city of Tanjavur? The answer is from wells and tanks. So the eighth question answer is from wells and tanks. Okay, now let's take few more questions. Yeah. Now ninth question children. What is bell metal? So the answer is, it contains a greater proportion of tin than other kinds of bronze. So this produces a bell like a sound. Okay, so the answer is, ninth question answer is, it contains what? It contains a greater proportion of tin. Okay, it contains a greater proportion of tin than other what kinds of bronze. Other kinds of bronze. Then what will happen? So this produce a bell like a sound. This produce a bell like sound. Now let's take 10th question, children. In our country, where is the Somanath temple located? The answer is Gujarat. So 10th question answer is Gujarat. Okay, children. Now let's take last question. Yeah, last question, children. Write some important temple towns. The answer is, that is Tanjavur, Madurai, Kanchipuram, Somanath, Tirupati, Bilaswami. Yes, we can write all these temple towns. Okay, right. 11th question answer is Tanjavur. Yes. Next, Kanchipuram. Then Madurai. Right. Then Tirupati. Then Somanath. And Bilaswami. Okay, etc. Even we can write many also. Okay, children, clear? So now these are 11 question answers. I hope you are clear with this answer, children. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Now signing off.